Welcome to part 2 of my air ride installation video series. In the previous video I refurbished a couple of the used parts and completed most of the wiring into my custom PT panel cruiser. Got the ECU relocated down here now, the relay up there, the power from the auxiliary point on the right hand side of the car runs through underneath the trim on the threshold. The solenoids will have to sit here on top of the wheel arch. This will be where the hoses go down, so I need a clear route into that. Not particularly keen on drilling through to the inside of the wheel well to put screws through, because I'm just asking for rust, and I think I'm going to fabricate a little shelf here to mount the two solenoids like that, and then that'll be quite nicely tucked behind the trim or whatever I build here. Just trying to figure out a shelf for the manifolds that's also the same height as the collapsed front passenger seat. The height of the wheel arch is virtually the same height as the collapsed passenger seat, which is beautiful. But custom cars need a little bit of secret sauce, so let's give this some treatment before I fit it back. making the manifold shelf a little bit more special with some vinyl I had lying about. I've left a gap underneath this support because obviously the wooden floor has to go in here still. So it's front and rear manifolds. Just double check I've got them right. This end a little bit more for the air tank. I'm about 1 centimeter off, unfortunately. That's the floorboard cut to size now. Good fit. Time for hoses. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.